Hello, everyone, and welcome to Module 5, Software and Apps Part 1. This is a four-part series on this one. Let's go ahead and start with the lesson objectives. Explain how apps are used in daily computing life. Use common features of productivity apps. Application software are programs that help you perform specific tasks by using your computer or device. Productivity apps allows one to create documents. Sorry about that. Allows one to create documents for business and personal use. Graphics and media apps allow one to interact with digital media. Personal interest apps give one tools to persuade interest. Communication apps provide tools for sharing or receiving information. And device management apps provide tools for maintaining a computer or a device. Now, the types of apps out there are local applications installed on the computer's hard drive, portable applications which run from removable storage such as external hard drives or from the cloud. Web apps are programs accessed over the internet in a browser or on a mobile device. And then there are mobile apps, apps that you can access on a smartphone or tablet. Now, some of the features of these apps is that they represented on the desktop by an icon or tile. It can be ran by double clicking or tapping. Open in a window, have menus that give options to access different features of the program, have buttons to click or tap to give commands to perform actions, and some are available as both web and mobile apps and can be synchronized data. Excuse me. Mobile apps touch the screen to interact with the mobile app. Use an on-screen keyboard to enter information, and many mobile devices come pre-installed with apps. You can organize apps into groups by categories. Apps are represented by icons on your screen, and App Store is used to find and download apps. Native apps. An app written for a specific operating system and installed on a computer or mobile device. It can take advantage of the specific features of the device on which they are installed. Many require an internet connection to provide full functionality. Some can run offline and will store information on your device until it can synchronize with the cloud. Web apps, accessed by visiting a website in a browser. A mobile app is a web app that runs on mobile devices. And mobile web apps often have responsive design. The app is optimized to display in the browser on the mobile device, regardless of the screen size or orientation. Many developers prefer web apps since they run on all devices. Some apps are available both as native and web apps. And here you see some pros and cons. A mobile web app can be created quickly compared to native apps. That's a pro. But on the con side, mobile web apps are not as fast and have fewer features than a native web app or desktop app. You can access your information on the go, which is a pro. And also voice input and smart on the screen voice input and smart on-screen keyboards simplify interactions. But some of the cons are poorly designed apps can turn people away. Typing using a small on-screen keyboard can be cumbersome, especially when you have fingers as big as mine. Mobile's apps first design, developers build apps to work on a mobile device first because they have more restrictions, require designers to streamline how people interact with their apps by placing content first and providing a simplified user experience. Developers use cross-platform development tools so you can run it on several different types of platforms, that is, i.e. Linux or Microsoft or maybe even an Android phone. Mobile commerce or m-commerce apps let you use your mobile device to make online purchases of goods and services. Use common features of productivity apps. Understand the features of common productivity suites. Use word processing software for basic word processing functions. Use spreadsheets software to manage basic workbooks. Use presentation software to create and share basic presentations. Use database software to manage basic databases. And use graphic software as is. Productivity suites are the versions to install on a computer, mobile device, or run in a cloud in a browser. Web and mobile versions are often simpler and contain most basic and popular features. Some are free, and some require that you purchase a license to subscribe. Storing documents in the cloud allows for collaboration. All right, at this point, I'm going to go ahead and end part one. And when we come back, we'll start part two.